Okay, I'm going to walk you through how to use the Giazo tool. Once you have set up your Giazo account, you'll have this tool either in your lower tool tray or on your desktop. Let me go ahead and play the video so I can walk you through it. Then once you do have the tool, you click on it and it's going to give you this little crosshatch, as you can see here, this little target type thing. What you do is you click and drag across the area that you want a screenshot of. Show you how that works. Click and drag, and when you let go, it'll save that image to your Giazo account. So now your image lives online in your Giazo account. Okay, so you've got basically you've screen grabbed your feedback comments that you want to highlight in your description. Now what you can do is you can go into your Giazo account, click on the button right there, and it'll pop up the actual URL of the image where it lives on the internet. Now, if you know a little bit about HTML, you can just use this image URL, add the image tags before and after this URL, and pop that into your eBay description, right? But most people are not that familiar with HTML tags, so I'm going to show you a different way to do it. First, let me show you that I'll be actually walking through highlighting the URL so that you can save it and use it with HTML codes. That's one way to do it. The other way to do it is click out of that and right-click on the image itself in your Giazo account. Right-click on it and then click Save Image As. What this does is it downloads the image to your computer. Okay? So you want to click Save Image As, and it'll open up a window where you can download it and save it to a folder on your computer or to your desktop. When you do that, now your image is on your computer, and now you can use the PhotoBucket example that I gave you before to upload it to PhotoBucket and then pop it into your description the way we showed you how to do it before. So that is how you add a screenshot of your feedback comments into your description. Very, very powerful extra hack, because again, most people aren't going to go and look at your feedback comments, but this really helps to sell whatever item you're selling. It helps people recognize, okay, this is a good seller, they're getting their stuff done quickly, they're shipping stuff quickly, they have quick response, excellent eBay, smooth transaction, item came in a week, etc., etc. So they're reading all this good stuff, and it just adds another element of social proof to your listings, and it really helps you to sell your items. It's another hack in your toolbox.